Colin here, and this is Shine Automotive.
It's not even cold.
I am not taking my hat off, mate. Not a chance. Right. Hello, this is Shine Automotive. I've got a COVID quiff. Sam's got a nice quiff. What we're doing today is we're fitting a dash cam hardwired properly into the car, so there's no wires everywhere, and we're going into the glove box, and we're actually putting our own 12-volt supply into the glove box. So what we've got is all these parts that are supplied and fitted by ourselves. So we have an extension lead, 12-volt USB plug-in charger, which will be going into the dashboard, and then a dash cam. So what we will be doing is going into the glove box, fitting the 12-volt supply into the side, and then the wires will all go through there, so you're not messing with the car's factory 12-volt supply. So let's get on and let's start fitting these bits in. This is the 12-volt supply that we'll be fitting in. It's got two USB points, and you need a stepper drill to drill it down to that size, which is, there's the stepper drill, there's your bit, and then so the nut's getting screwed on now, and that will hold the 12-volt supply in place in the glove box. As you can see now, the 12-volt supply is fitted in place. If you wouldn't want to hardwire your sat-nav in yourself, if you hit us up in the comment section below, you can book yourselves in where we can fit and supply the system. So what now Sam will be doing with the power probe, he'll be looking where to take the power for the feed. Right, so we've got the ignition live in now. So what we'll do is we'll rebuild the glove box back in and run the cable up through the dash, round the corner there, with no drilling, all tucked out the way, and that'll be coming to up through the roof lining where the camera will be mounted up here. So there's a 12-volt supply that obviously will run off the ignition. You see the red light, it powers up, and then it powers up and starts recording. We've got to put a micro SD card inside it, but then as soon as you start driving, it starts recording, and then when you turn the ignition off, it turns the power off to the 12-volt supply, and then the battery that's inbuilt will run until it turns off, and there you go. Maintenance free, and with this system, when it's recording, it records on the SD card, and when it's full, it will wipe and reset again. So it's absolutely maintenance free to look after. Yeah, we can fit and supply the system into your car for about £200, and we give a 2-year warranty on parts and labour as well. So if it's something you didn't want to do, less hassle, get booked in with us, and you can come and have it all hardwired in nice and properly, so it's easy to manage. 8 man, yeah. So the card's in now, and as you can see, as soon as the ignition is on, the little red flashing dot in the top left-hand corner indicates that it's recording. So there you go. Tucked out the way, not visible to distract the driver from the vision. Hello. And obviously the power is in the glove box, is out the way. There's a 2-pin USB adapter in there, so if you've got your iPad or your phone, your passenger wants to plug in and charge on the drive, and obviously you can't see the cables because all the cables are hid. So that's the view from the outside. Nice, neat and tidy, small unit. You don't need a massive unit. Obviously you can remove the card and look at it on a laptop on a bigger screen. Nice, neat and tidy. Now boys, right, if you like in Kevin, right, we'll see you again in the next one. Hit us in the comments down below if you'd like us to fit a sat-nav into your car. We can do it for £200 all in, and 2 years parts and labour warranty on all the bits as well. So I've been Colin, that's been Sam, and that's Kevin. We'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye now.